In this exercise, you're going to learn how to cross your finger 1 under finger 2, like this. Finger 1, right hand on middle C. Finger 2 on D. And then, for the next key, you're gonna cross under finger 1, and then finger 2, and finger 1, crossing under, and finger 2, just move your finger 1, the hand shouldn't move much. Let's go back, finger 2, then finger 1, cross finger 2 over, and then finger 1 comes to the next key, then finger 2, then finger 1, finger 2 over, finger 1. Let's do it again. Finger 1 and 2. Finger 1 under, finger 2, finger 1 under, finger 2, finger 1 under, going back, Are you ready for left hand? Finger 1 on middle C, then finger 2 on B, finger 1 under, finger 2, next, finger 1 under, finger 2, finger 1 under, crossing, finger 2. Now going back, finger 1, finger 2 over, finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2, finger 1. Let's do it again. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2. Back. Let's do a challenge. At the same time, we're going to play on middle C, and then finger 2 on both hands, finger 1 crossing under, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2, finger 1, finger 2. Going back. If you want an extra challenge, you can do finger 1 on middle C, finger 2, finger 3, and under 1. Finger 2, finger 3, and cross under 1. Finger 2, finger 3, and under 1. Let's go back. Over finger 3, finger 3 over, finger 3 over. Now let's do it with the left hand. Finger 3 and finger 1 under, finger 2, finger 3, finger 1 under, finger 2, finger 3, finger 1 under. Let's go back. Finger 3 over, finger 3 over, Let's do it with both hands. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 1 under, finger 2 next, finger 3, finger 1 under, finger 3, finger 1 under, finger 2. Let's go back.